In this video, I'm going to show you how to open custom sites on Startup in Microsoft Edge step by step. This is a really useful setup if you want Edge to launch directly into the websites you use most, whether that's your email, dashboard, news page, or work tools. It saves time every day and helps you get straight to what matters without extra clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, go down and choose Settings. This will take you to the main Edge settings page, where you can control startup behavior, appearance, privacy, and more. On the left-hand side of the settings menu, click Start, Home, and New Tab page. This section is where Edge lets you choose what happens when the browser opens, what the Home button does, and what shows on a new tab. Now, look for the Startup settings area. You should see an option for opening custom sites when Edge starts. Toggle that option on. Once it's enabled, Edge will let you choose exactly which websites should open automatically every time you launch the browser. After that, click Add a New Page or Add Site, depending on what your version of Edge shows. A small box will appear where you can type or paste the web address of the site you want to open at startup. Enter the full website link carefully, then click Add. If you want more than one site to open, just repeat the process and click Add Site again for each page you want included. You can add your work portal, your calendar, your email, or any other site you use regularly. If you make a mistake or want to remove a site later, you can go back into this same section and edit the list anytime. Once your custom sites are added, close the Settings tab and restart Microsoft Edge to test it. When the browser opens again, it should automatically load the websites you selected. That means your startup pages are now customized exactly the way you want them. And that's how you open custom sites on Startup in Edge. It's quick, easy, and a great way to make your browser work for you from the moment it opens. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.